show is going great. Tons of new cars. Oh my god. Welcome back to another episode of CaptureCars. We're here at GarageStore in Dundee. We're gonna cover the show that's gonna go on today. It's pretty much the first good weather show of the season. We have some cool cars that just pulled in out front. We'll go check those out. Huge shout out to Jim for hosting such a nice event on a Saturday. It's like 60 degrees today. We have some interesting cars here to say the least. So let's go cover the show and then we'll do a short tour of the showroom and what GarageStore has to offer. Let's go. So the show is going great. There's tons of new cars that are popping up. There's actually a few pulling in, and it's a Toyota Sienna, a BMW, and a old Volkswagen. And there's a McLaren right there. But yeah, let's go check out the cars that just pulled in. Vamos! Oh my god, no way. Oh my god. Alright, so that was the majority of the show. It's kind of closing out. We have some cars leaving here and there. I think the 720s might head out in just a little bit, so we'll hear those exhausts. But yeah, plenty of V12s, flat sixes, and V8 twin turbos to listen to. Let's take a listen to those while all these cars are heading out. And again, huge shout out to everyone that showed up, to Jim for hosting the whole event. Be sure to check out GarageStore. They host a ton of great garage services, and they'll make your space and your automotive space look mighty fine.
I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose.
It's from the rally probably.
So I'm gonna keep these for a good photo shoot.
Yeah, that would look great.
Tell me if you like it too. How can you move away?
That sounded nuts, boys. So nuts. Jesus Christ, listen to the idle, dude. That's insane. Did you hear how cold those tires were? Oh my god. Jesus. Alright, so apparently the whole building has moved to Mexico and we're gonna do some shenanigans. There may or may not be some tire smoke involved, and it may or may not involve that car right there. But apparently he's taping up the bumper. It might be a big one, I'm not sure. Let's go check it out. Dude, look at the line in Mexico. Oh my god. That was awesome.
Wild. That's wild.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude.
Instant torque.
Nothing beats a V12.
All right.
Oh, hold on. Blaster end. No way. Jesus Christ.
And on that note.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you so much, Jim, for hosting the event. It was fantastic. Jim offers the best in class garage store stuff for your entire space.
Yeah, we do epoxy flooring, we do wall systems, overhead storage, we do car lifts, and hey, this car show that we had today was great. Almost 150 cars. Hoping to have another one probably at the end of the fall. So keep in touch on Facebook, Instagram. It's GarageStore, Illinois.
Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Peace. Nice weather we're having out.
I'm in a trash can. You know what's not trash? This merch. You can find this shirt and other cool shirts at CaptureCars.us. Ow.